Alright, can you hear that? I want to see if we can before it heats up. Gonna go away pretty soon. Okay. You might think that's rod knock. It's not. It's an exhaust leak. Oh, I had this in neutral. That's stupid. This is an exhaust leak. And so, to do the studs, I gotta remove the turbo. And, well, first, now that I've driven this, I gotta let it cool down. It's gonna be hot.
Sometimes I choose to be blind instead of opening my eyes. Wake up every day, I give my praise. Say that I'm so thankful, say that got me from my wicked ways. Said I only judge I know which way this road will turn, which way this road will go.
Got all this shit out. This is the best thing I ever bought. I don't care what anyone says. And we almost got the turbo. We're almost to the turbo. It's right there. Just gotta take the manifold off. That V-band, the O2 sensor can stay. Yeah. Oh, the oil feed and return lines. And then we're there. Here are ice cream. How do you like your ice cream? Alright. Say, I love ice cream. I love ice cream.
Which way this road will go? Said I only judge I know which way this road will turn, which way this road will go. Since I was just a cake.
I'm gonna hand this to you. I can't pull it out. Oh, grab it. I'm golfing. Alright, we got the turbocharger out. Now, it's getting kind of late. I'm gonna finish up this.
Which way this road will go? Said I know which way this road will turn, which way this road will go.
I call this the old threader.
Been through some struggles, yes, I've been through the rough. See so many things that make a young man really tough. In life I've learned to never give up. When I was down I said I kept on looking up. Me said no, I only judge I know which way this road will turn, which way this road will go. Say I only judge I know which way this road will turn, which way this road will go.
out. Really do.
You got your head up in the clouds, you all figured out. While I'm still searching for the reasons why it feels like I drown. And I forget you when you're stuck in my head. Some things are better left unsaid. Around again, we go around again.
You alone. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. All right, I literally just got done. That turbocharger that I was taking off in the back and fixing the manifold studs and all that. Everything's back together. Turbocharger's back in. New manifold gaskets in. Studs extracted. Yeah, just time to fire it up. Gotta bleed the coolant, but I'm not doing that right now. Adios, man.